Are you still spending hours and hours each week maintaining your aquarium, cleaning substrate, cleaning glass, changing water, testing your water? All that time wasted. Well, there is a better way, there is easier way, and there is more natural way to achieve better, healthier, cleaner fish tank. And here is how. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of planted aquariums and exploring the numerous benefits they bring to both the fish and yourself as a fish keeper. Planted aquariums are not just a beautiful addition to your home or office space, but they also offer a wide range of benefits for both the aquatic life and the environment within the tank. One of the most significant benefits of the planted aquarium is the positive impact it has on the health and well-being of the fish that call it home. The live plants provide natural hiding spots, breeding grounds and grazing areas for the fish, mimicking their natural habitat and reducing stress level. Live plants are nature's filters, absorbing harmful nitrates, ammonia and other toxins from the water. This natural filtration system helps to maintain water quality, creating healthy environment for your aquatic friends, eliminating need for water changes. Also, the live plants absorb carbon dioxide from your water, producing oxygen which your fish need to survive and be healthy. On top of that, healthy and fast-growing live plants outcompete algae for nutrients and light, helping to control algae growth in your fish tank. By maintaining a balanced ecosystem with a variety of plant species, you can prevent algae blooms and keep your aquarium looking clean and vibrant. Watching fish swim among lush greenery of your fish tank is relaxing, unlike worrying if your water has too much nitrates in it, if your water has ammonia in it, and if your fish is gonna survive or not. So if you're keeping fish and you're sick of worrying about ammonia, if you're sick of water changes, if you're sick of your fish dying or cloudy water all the time, or worrying about if there's any mess or dirt on bottom of your fish tank, then it's time for you to listen to us and start planted aquariums. They truly are amazing. It almost feels like going to your favorite stream or a lake and bringing small part of it into your living room. It is truly satisfying just to sit there and watch it develop by itself. I'm telling you, in the last 6 months, this fish tank has changed so much that it almost looks like nothing we set up 6 months ago. And that's one of the beauties of it. I mean, honestly, there's new plants popping up. There's new fish fry that we never managed to keep alive before in there. There is, all these amazing little creatures and things that we notice every now and then. I've got 4 or 5 snails in there. I'm guessing they came on one of the plants, but it's amazing just to see them in there and pop in there by itself. It's nowhere near as hard as you think. You don't need any fancy materials, any fancy plants, any fancy lights. It's quite simple and it's a lot better and healthier for your fish. And if your fish are healthy, you're gonna be happy, and that's all that matters in the end. I'm only about halfway down the road where I want this fish tank to be. So next 6 months we're gonna try and establish a food web inside this fish tank and try to see if we can get it to be completely self-sustained, which means no mechanical filtration in it whatsoever. We're just gonna see if the planted fish tank by itself can maintain itself completely. And if you want to see if we succeed or not, subscribe and keep an eye on for more videos down the track to see if we make it or not. Seeing the results over the past 6 months, I have no doubt we can get there.